My project topic is about revenue dashboard for e-governance website. This is the content, company profile, abstract, system specification, tech stack, system design, modules, module description and conclusion. Here is the company profile. I done my internship in Bhavan Cybertech. Bhavan Cybertech is a global provider of digital transformation solution with remarkable expertise in predictive analysis, digital experience, and digital supply chain management. Provides a comprehensive view of tax collection and financial performance across various sectors. This is the abstract of my project. In my project, main concept is to help in setting realistic revenue targets and improve collection strategies, and helps municipality plan tax revision, assess collection efficiency, and identify revenue leakages. This is the system specification. Here the software requirement is Windows level. I'm backend as ASP.NET and frontend Angular 12, database SQL 19, hardware requirements Intel Core i5. This is the tech stack of my project. System design. Here the employees working in the municipalities are separate register login. If there is new employee join means they have to create the account, login, logging into revenue dashboard. There, property tax, professional tax, trade license, building plan. Here I done with my module like property tax, which comes under growth rate, tax per assessment, conversion under assessed update, tax value details, prop tax SUC, new application status. These are the modules done in my project. First, register page. Register page of 50 IS is a critical component that ensures secure, authorized, and is structured access to the system. This page is designed to ensure the secure and structured user registration, enable authorized personnel such as municipal officials, tax assessors, and administrators to log in and manage revenue related data efficiently. Then the login, it ensures the safe and seamless user experience while maintaining data confidentiality and system integrity. This page ensures data security, user authentication, and role-based access to different modules within the system. This is the screenshot of the login page. Here you can see the two text box which is used to give username and password. Then, if the username and password is correct, means redirect to property tax. Now the property tax first module is growth rate. Using the previous year growth rate, the system calculates the average growth rate to identify trends. This model helps in determining which corporation has achieved the best tax revenue growth. This is the screenshot of my project. By using previous year data, it will analyze which district has a high growth rate. If the growth rate is high, means it will indicate in green. Otherwise, it will indicate in red color. Tax per assessment provides yearly comparison of tax per assessment trends to track revenue improvements, helps in forecasting future tax collection based on assessment trends. To determine the average tax collected per property assessment in different urban categories. This is the screenshot. Here the tax per assessment means building. Each and every building has need to has a certain tax to pay. This tabular column indicates which district has more demand to pay the tax. Here the number of assessment means building. In Kanchipuram, 51,000 buildings are there. The demand is 1,500 per 1,749 per building. Tax per assessment is 3,406. This is for the year 2023 to 24. 24 to 25 means there is a separate, like now this year, it will calculate this year and compared to the previous year, and it will give the increased tax per assessment in rupees. Like Kanjipuram is in green color, and then Dindigul Sivagasi is in red color, which is not paying the tax properly. Conversion under assessed updates computes the assessment value and the additional tax demand now due, pulls the old assessment value and the newly revised value for every converted properties. This is the screenshot of the conversion under assessed updation. Assessed updation means nothing but the demand increased. Here the conversion demand increased by 19,260 to Tiruchirappalli. Under assessed 2,654, like demand increased. So these are in red color. Like Coimbatore as assessed increased by conversion under assessed is good. So it indicates in green color. Property tax is SUC. SUC means solid waste management. Side by side comparison of property tax demand and collection versus SUC. Here the each assessment is a assessment. Assessment means a building or some building or some working office. They need to provide a tax for the wastages. Here the property tax does the collecting tax from the people. Like this is screenshot of prop tax versus SUC. Tiruchirappalli, it has like industrial education, like some kind of institution will also give some wastages. So it will calculate all property tax and SUC, then compare the two them differences, and sends the SUC charges per assess. New application status screens, highlights process bottleneck and staffing gaps, encourage timely onboarding of new taxpayers, critical for expanding the bases, drill down table list, black clock, cases with officer in charge. This is a screenshot of new application. If a district needs to construct a building, or any drainage problem means, they need to appraise the new application to the government staff. Then they will mark it as in this tabular column. How many district will see gave us a new application to build something for that. Then if a farm approved means, they will allocate a fund. Tax value details. This is the tax value details. In previous module, we see about the new application status. After approved of the new application, this certain tax to be allocated to that assessment. Then it gives assessor and auditor a single source of truth how every rupee of tax was calculated. Granular breakdown of assessed value components that regular produce the final tax for each property. This is the tax value details. Here the Tiruchirappalli does their job very good, so it indicates in green color. Tanjavur not do their work properly, so it indicates in red color. This is usage based percentage. It helps the government understand which type of property contributes the most. Useful for planning tax policies and to identify low contribution sectors. Helps detect anonymous. Ensures transparency in how different property categorized contribute to revenue. This is the screenshot of usage wise percentage. Here you can see separate different modules, like residential, commercial, industrial, educational, government. These are all compared to assessment percentage. Then the total assessment will be calculated, and then finally it provides each district is doing their job best. This is mode of collection. Here the fund which is allocated to by the government to their assessment. After it will be collected as which mode of collection. It helps to track the adoption of digital payment system, identify areas where technical support or training may be needed for digital payments. This is the screenshot of the mode of collection. Here, Coimbatore district has many options like gas checks, draft, like that. Thank you.